Yazi nginewari ngalomuntu o-advise uDuduzile ukuthi resign. Nginewari serious yokuthi he or she is not a good person. What's wrong that Duduzile did? Did she kill somebody? Did she point those people with the gun on the head to say you must go to Russia? Did he give them drugs and traffic them? I think man, we somehow man sinenkinga man. Whoever who advised uDuduzile to resign, I believe that ukuthi umuntu okade vele naye emfuna futhi engazi ukuthi angamgudluza kanjani. I was never going to advise uDuduzile in that way. Go and resign for what? Really for what? There is a case evuliwe. Okay, it's fine. Let her face that case like anybody else who's in position, like ANC members who are in positions, but they are still attending a case until she's proven guilty. I understand, because akekho umuntu ofostiwe kulaba bantu, akuna any evidence eshoyo ukuthi saqanjelwa manga kwathiwa siyo trainer but besinganga kuyo trainer beso defender iUkraine or beso defender iRussia. How can yazi bafethu yazini, sometimes I know but is the way sicabanga ngakhona neingqondo zethu ziweak ngakhona. I just said it right now ukuthi how many whites abajampe umzila bahamba baya ukuyodefenda iUkraine? How many of them from South Africa? Kumanje lezo zinto zihidiwe. Ma South Africans nihlulwa ukucabanga nje ukuthi iANC neDA they've been working together for all these years. For all these years. Even nalento kaMatlala, it's not only ANC members who are involved on that thing. It goes concurrently with the DA. Angazi lezi zinto ezenzeka lapha eWestern Cape anisiboni yini zalabantwana abadubulana daylight ukuthi it's not one of the things ezihambisana nezinto ezenziwa boMatlala naboMlifi. It's just that ibona bebeyenza endaweni wrong and not that much protected like lama cartels ase Cape Town are protected. And you won't see lento yokudubulana daylight kukubostele mbochi kibo wathi ubona like ugcwele khona like nabantu khona abamnyama na like namakhalathi khona. That's where you see such things happening. Why you guys don't ask yourself ukuthi kuza kanjani? Who's sponsoring these guns? Who's sponsoring these drugs? In South Africa, there's no drugs without a white person. There's no any drug cartel that will be successfully without white person. Hey man yazi mina nginenkinga ngabantu basemzansi stro. Nginenkinga man. Angazi ubani lo advise uDuduzile ukuthi a resign. Minister of defense wase South Africa after kufela amasotsha afa lapho ba resign. Did they resign? Abantwana babantu abahamba bo defender mama inabo lapho babuya sebebuya ngamabhokisi ba resign abona ba advise ukuthi ba resign. any case was opened against them. uCyril ukwayiphendula le ndaba ukuthi lamasotsha ayokwenzani ngale South Africa ala eSouth Africa ngale or nayo seyifelele khona lapho like indaba yaseMarikana ay emkhontweni ngathi sinabantu abaweak man. Sinabantu abaweak too much, people who can't stand firm man. Abantu abasa enhle labantu abakuma position abantu abafuna ukurecognize and then bese bayaphathiswa. Abantu abakhalela ukurecognize ukuthi why we were not recognizing us. Now we want to show you ukuthi we are here and we can fight you back. If bangabizwa lapha eStellenbosch bahlaliswa phansi banikezwa amabheke imali, there's no way they can accept it. Abantu abafuna ukurecognize labantu abagcwele lapha. We are in the war where the MK mustn't take any nonsense from anybody. Because we said we want change. But ngathi namsana nazo lezi zinto ezenziwa iANC. Nihambisana nazo mabethi resign, mabethi uyaboshwa uyaboshwa, mabethi la majaji corrupt, yes a corrupt, abantu mana ama cartels benza ama drug, yes bafethu that is why ngike ngathi mina if I was one of the members of a parliament lapha legislature Gauteng, mina I was never going to support the ANC. Noma ngabe kuthiwa bekuyi mandate evela ku national bengingeke mina ngene kuma infight ANC neDA ngazi kahle ukuthi these people basebenzisana bonke. Bengingeke mina ngihlanye. But ke asasi yazi nginokuhleka ngedwa mangihleli ngianalyze konke okwenzeka la eSouth Africa nangendlela izinto zenzeka ngakhona nangendlela izinto zikhulunywa ngakhona. Ngizoqala nje lapha kwiMadlanga Commission enginokuhleka ngedwa makubuzwana lapha imibuzo kuphendulwana ngisho ngithi yazini kulelwe eMzansi. Kulelwe eMzansi. Kulelwe ngalendlela yokuthi ugcina uyisilima noma ungasisona isilimo, ugcina ulandela impumputhe noma ungeyona impumputhe. Kube yizwe kufuna zikubonisa indlela. Nginokubheka nje ngisho ngithi kwaze kwanzima. Kwaze kwanzima. Uyazi nje ya South Africa bafethu angazi. Uyabona nje ngiyalimala kancane ngendaba yamkhwanazi nango Arthur Fraser. Kancane ngiyalimala ngabo labantu ngoba ibona abantu akade sibe ebesesibhekele kubo ukuthi yibo abantu ngempela esingathi mabethi bayaphakama sibalandele ngoba sebasibonisile ukuthi kahle i-country it's under siege. Kodwa ke bese kuba few ababonayo ngoba the most singama clever blacks. Sithanda i-fake life, si-impose nge-fake life, sayi-adopta wrongly and sayenza too much in such a way that ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngomuntu uthi officially kumele umuntu abe formal, afake utayi nesuit, afake ne-two piece nalesicathulo sasewulwethe esicijini, bese uthi lo muntu official. Silimele man, silimele in such a way that manje ne-media seyenza izinto ifabricate, i-create i-stories. Yazi mawuthi uyabheka nje uhleli wedwa lapha yayibona lento uthi yazi lento ayikho phela le. It's just that nje phela ke abantu abasiphethe nabantu abalidayo, abantu abazitshela ukuthi bayazi noma bengazi, bafule abantu esifi ngathi like ikhona abakwaziyo beyond or kungakhulu abakwaziyo ukudlula bona. Mawuthi uyabheka abazi lutho. Akekho umuntu ongaboni nje ukuthi kahle eSouth Africa kusadingeka into eziningi. Kudingeka izinto ezenziwa amanye ama country lawa khona ukuzimela, bakhona ukuzilwela, bafune izinto ezibhilonga kubo, bafuna ukulungisa i-country yabo ngoba basuke beyithanda i-country yabo. Uyabona nje South Africa sime ngomkhwanazi, sime nangaye ku-Arthur. Uyabona nje ukukhuluma iqiniso amasotsha sinawo. Yabona nje amasotsha ke into engayikhawunti nje nakancane. Namanje nje la eSouth Africa masingahlaselwa kahle kahle enye country sisenkingeni. Sisenkingeni lena. Nginokubukela amanye ama-country la athatha amasotsha athathe ama-country wabo ngekhuphu. Thina la eSouth Africa sibhizi nje nalabo babo omakhehla lagcwele laphana athaya leader akhuluma kakhulu, athanda nama-mic, athanda nokuvela ema-TV ungazi ukuthi bathe bahle yini, or yazi umuntu ongena legacy eCountry, yazi umkhwanazi ushaya wonke ama-legacy. I-legacy kaMkhwanazi ilandela i-legacy kaMsholozi manje. After all lamakhehla wonke ewathole lapho uMkhwanazi wasebenza nabo, akukho noyi-1 emasotsheni kulamasotsha ey'ntuthu esinawo ethi ayi cha madoda yazini kunzima nazi izinto sezi-expose, ayisekho enye into. If le country bekuyenye country like any country in Africa ngabe khona osokwenzakele, ngabe sekukhona osokwenzakele. Now inkinga ukuthi siphethwe yidwedwe zamakhehla zamasotsha. Siphethwe yidwedwe zamakhehla zamasotsha. Abantu abancamela imali endana impilo zema-families wabo, abantu abangathandi i-country yabo, abantu who don't care ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaphansi kwe-country, abangazi ukuthi kusasa kuzosala kwenzakalani ngey'ngane zabo. Sisenkingeni serious. Uyabona nje namanje mina uDuduzile lento ayenzile yokuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa kuyenzile futhi it's fine. Yiko nje ukuthi phela uDuduzile uthathe nje izingane zezimpimpi, izingane zamakhawadi, abantu engasibona amadela kufe, engasibona ama-revolutionalist, yiba abathathiwe bayiswa lena. Kahle kahle kushiwe abantu esaziyo ukuthi bakhona babengayimela babe nayo lento bayimele ngoba bethanda i-country yabo. Uyazi manje mawenza into kwamele ibheke ukuthi wenza into nobani, wenza into kumuntu o-strong kangakanani, umuntu one-backbone kangakanani. Manje niluziswa i-focus, nifuna ukususwa kulento yeMadlanga Commission ne-Ad-Hoc Committee, nifuna ukususwa kuzo lezi zinto ukuthi nifocuse kuphi kulento kaDuduzile. uDuduzile, there's nothing wrong that he did. There was no trafficking. Lo mntwana kaZuma lo munye lo hlala laphana nje umntwana nje usika nje attention nje, usetshenziswa abelungu. She's being used by whites, by the ANC also. Umntwana ocapture ama-politics afail. She adopted this sick ANC yamngena ekhanda, wangayithatha ngendlela yokuthi mele abheke ukuthi the very same ANC engikuyo ilwela umuntu omnyama na. uDuduzile kungcono bathathile labo bantwana ke wabayisa laphana lapho kwi-army, bekathi uyobatrainisa futhi uyobavusa ukuthi at least basebenze, basuke la elokishini bayekela ukudakwa insangu nama-drugs ke basuke kule situation abakuso. Wabayisa ngale ukuthi bayophatha isibhamu bakhona ukuzodefend i-country yabo, kanti uthatha izingane zezimpimpi amakhawadi uzisa ngale. Kungcono ke futhi nakuDuduzile akekho umuntu ofile ngale. uRamaphosa nabona ledi phando nabo bani bathatha abantu laba bayisa le entweni bayodefenda ama-mines wabo, bayodefenda into zabo, bafa abafowethu lapha amasotsha abuyela asewabuya ngamabox. Ayengakho amasotsha ayengale ngaphandle e-Africa eyodefenda ama-mine abo Ramaphosa nale igebengu igcwele lapha eParliament, babuye ingane zabantu sezifile. Akekho othi nix ngaleyo nto leyo. Namanje akathola kahle amasotsha ayodefendana entweni la ekhona, ayodefenda abantu kwenze njani empini kabani. Nithulile nonke nale media le, ngoba nale media vele drive yini narrative yabantu abamnyama bakithi, yiba basithengisayo ngayo le media, basetshenziswa amabhunu nabelungu. uDuduzile there's nothing wrong ayenzile, there's nothing wrong ayenzile. Umuntu oyelapha uye azi ukuthi uyapi, yiko nje ukuthi uthatha izingane zezimpimpi ke wazisa le, yizo lezi ezifike sezikhuluma. sezingazi ukuthi ezikhulumani nalo mntwana okuthanda iattention lo esingamazi ukuthi akekho popular ufuna ukuba popular manje uzama ukusika nje attention ukuthi abe popular ngalento kaDuduzile yena wenzani yena Duduzile wenza umsebenzi omuhle kabi futhi ngathi angathatha amanye amasotsha awayise Russia yo train wavela azobuya azodefend country ngoba sinamasotsha vele nebhizi senifocus endabeni kaDuduzile na indaba yama drugs ingane zenu ziyafa ziyabulawa ezinye ziyadutshulwa abantu bayamosha eCountry nithulile ngigijimela izinto ezi-out uDuduzile must recruit other soldiers young soldiers to Russia bayo trainer or eBurkina Faso bayo train babuye bazo defend country because asinamasotsha khona manje uCyril before Mkhwanazi azokwehla emsebenzini ngifuna ukunitshela manje uCyril uzoba exposed uCyril as we speak kuzovelela ke manje before eyeke emsebenzini Mkhwanazi uCyril uzovele nizobe nithule nonke la nidla amafinyile njoba nigcwele iCountry yonke la nidakwa nenza zonke lezi zinto lezi kodwa iCountry yahamba aniboni nala emaneighbor wenu amabo Burkina Faso ukuthi there's something abayenzayo nina ngoba nithanda ubuclevo bungekho nibhizi nibalekela kubo America nigijima endaweni ezinganifuni niyosebenziswa abantu abanganifuni bese nithi nihlakaniphile uzoba expose uCyril ngizongibuza before Mkhwanazi ehla nje yaphansi if uyayeke emsebenzini ngoba vele nihluleke nokumdefend Mkhwanazi umntana abantu angaze afelokelula lezi zinto impumputhe ezingaboni lezi engazi nokuthi siphilelana emhlabeni uNkulunkulu ngabe usithatha zonke lezi zinto kusale bona uMkhwanazi nabanye abantu abafuna ukubona iCountry abathanda iCountry yabo busy manje nisemva kwaDuduzile Duduzile ayikho into eningayenza nina nenzani Duduzile sebenzile akathatha abanye abantwana futhi ababuyisele ngale Russia bawu trainer if it was me I was going to do more ba recruit more futhi aba strong not lamantombazana wathathile wayisali sebhizi lapha yakhala lapho ungazi ukuthi bebuyofunani lapha gibela itrain ugibela airplane uyalema ubufi uyakhala le akathatha amadoda insizwe uDuduzile azisele zambe zo defend iCountry zibuye ziyo trainer zitrain zibuye zo defend iCountry uPeter Mokaba bambulalela kona lokho ukuthi wayefuna ukwenza kithi lokho efuna ukusithatha ukuthi sambe siyo train avula icamp sambe siyo train bambulala amabhunu bambulalela kona lokho noDuduzile bafuna ukwenza the same ayingakho abelungu abasuka eCape Town bayolwa eUkraine abafihliwe eningakhulumi ngabo nina abantu bamnyama bayingakho abelungu abayile le eUkraine bayo defend iUkraine abala eSouth Africa nithulile ngabe ngoba into enziwa abantu abamhlophe sesinyanyisa kabi nabantu bala eSouth Africa dophu Commander Ernest lasting ke ngasho la my leader ngathi kunabo Viva Mkhonto Gwaza Mkhonto siphilele Nxamalala siphilele akusukuthi ngoba behambisana nalento esikuyo kule vision nemission esikuyo bayandlulisa kulaba abangaboni ukuthi babaphendule izitebhisi zabo and believe that ukuthi they are believing in the ideology of umsholozi uyabona if ever besizimisele ngokubuyisa izwe despite ama resources despite indaba yani nani besizokwenza sure ukuthi wonke ama region they do have ama gatherings no matter what bekumele ngabe mningi umsebenzi esisuqalile siyawenza manje singabhekile only indaba yama election kodwa on other side sibheke lento ye democracy nalama vote ukuthi really it will work for us to bring change eMzansi na it's worse because the very same comrade Gwaza Mkhonto Viva Mkhonto siphilele Nxamalala siphilele they were posting la ubabe buye eBurkina Faso beposta besho ukuthi no Ibrahim self uTraore uyibonile lento ye-IEC ukuthi it doesn't work, compromise most of the countries in Africa, but no one is talking about that. All of them uyabona nje lokho kushoyo ukuthi vele nale national mina ngayikhuluma kudala lento angazi mina ukuthi kwenzakalani. We are running like MKS, like we are running EFF. EFF that was formed by the very same ANC and the Stellenbosch Mafians to control behind everything. These leaders that we have, it seems like they are being controlled somewhere to hold us to act on or to push the mandate and the ideology of Umdala going forward of getting back our land. Because even nomntwana omncane nobani uyabona ukuthi we were compromised nga this thing ye vote. We were compromised nga this thing ye democracy. All young people who are coming in politics now, but ukuthi MK will bring change on the issue of voting, but there's nothing like that. You understand? Now, and ungezwa abaningi ututuzile uthatha ifamily yakhe abobani. Sometimes you can end up doing that because of the trust issues. Because of the trust issues, you can see in the organization that you are in, these people, they are not believing where I'm believing in. They don't push the ideology that we are pushing. Even if it was me, I was going to recruit young people. Even mina I propose ngisesengale kwi-ANC ukuthi abangiphu 80 million impumalanga inamahlathi asesenamadem. Ngifuna ukuyovula icamp for young people to be trained i-army. Since leyo nto leyo ngangazi vele ukuthi it won't happen, but I did propose khona ngalo kwagogo. It never happened. Angiboni any reason emkhontweni to celebrate it downfall ye one of our own ukuthi uDuduzile she's been resigned provincial, nationally, and even in the parliament and all that. Why should we? But we are also good when it comes to vote defender the ANC, like issue Gauteng Kapanyas. He was defended by us, but we are celebrating the downfall of one of our own. I'm telling you, if I was in nationally, Duduzile was never going to be resigned. She was never going to resign. I was going to put reasons why she mustn't. In the situation that we are in South Africa, we need such people who can have a strong enough and bold enough to take such decisions, to say, let us take these young people to be trained in Russia. Most of these people who like to blame and complain are people who are doing nothing. People who don't care. They are just members of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Kumanje kunama detachment esinawonke la. They are all useless, doing nothing. But hey, ayikho into esizoyenza. And lento leyo ukuthi sithi uDuduzile was supposed to be resigned. It weakness Umkhonto lento le. It weaknessing Umkhonto, because that means we are afraid of this constitution that we are fighting. Ukuthi ayichinjwe le constitution. We are supposed to stand firm to say to Duduzile, you are not going to resign. The very same president break this constitution how many times? Now, Tina, mele sibe sweet musai no Duduzile resign. You'll put the organization in the hematod. Ngokuthi uthatha abantu abayise Russia about trainer. We still need more. I asked the question la ukuthi DA thatha bayingaki yabayisa ngale. No one is talking about that. Hey, South Africa man is no problem yokucabanga. Level of thinking is killing us. Ow. 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 Ow.